Poured concrete floors are cold, hard, and damp. Concrete is porous and releases moisture. If not managed properly, this can lead to production of mold and mildew. Drycore Insularmor is an all-in-one premium engineered subfloor system designed specifically to maximize the comfort of your living space. It helps protect against mold and mildew growth, insulates against cold concrete, and softens finished floors. Drycore Insularmor has a raised air gap design to avoid trapping moisture and letting it evaporate naturally. EPS foam is an inorganic material which mold and mildew cannot grow on. With an R value of 4.1, Drycore Insularmor has one of the highest R values in the market, providing maximum insulation against cold concrete to make floors feel warmer to walk on. Unlike other types of foam, Drycore Insularmor is specifically engineered with high-density EPS foam that is highly durable, supporting weights of up to 3,650 pounds. It is ideal for hard surface finished floors, such as engineered hardwood, laminate, and luxury vinyl tiles or planks. Drycore Insularmor also comes with a 25-year warranty. Installation is very easy. Drycore Insularmor can easily be carried, given the small size of the panels at 2 feet by 4 feet, and it is lightweight, weighing less than 2 pounds per panel. The panels have a tongue and groove edge, so they easily fit together. The foam panels are cut easily with a knife, eliminating the need for power tools and messy cleanup. Installation in a standard-sized room can be completed in an afternoon. The first step is to inspect the floors for cracks and unevenness. For uneven spots, use Drycore leveling shims, stacked up to 4 high. Measure the room and plan your layout to ensure you do not end up with a space where panels have to be cut less than 3 inches wide. Drycore Insularmor is made to be cut easily with a utility knife, reducing mess and cleanup. It is recommended to install Drycore Insularmor after walls are installed and finished. Get started by adding a 1/4 inch spacer, such as scrap wood, against the foundation and your framed walls. Place the grooved edges toward the wall. Press fit the tongue of the second panel into the groove of the first panel. Tap the pieces together with a tapping block. At the end of the row, cut the panel to fit and use a pull bar to press fit the last panel into place, leaving a 1/4 inch gap between the foundation and the framed walls. Drycore Insularmor panels are highly durable when weight is dispersed over completed hard surface finished floors. To avoid damaging the panels during installation, we recommend installing a row of finished floors following each completed row of Drycore Insularmor. To start the second row, cut a panel of Drycore Insularmor in half in order to stagger the seams. Repeat the process and finally check each completed row with a level. Use Drycore leveling shims as required. In the event damage occurs during installation, repairs are simple. Cut out the damaged area and replace it with a fitted piece, matching the dimensions of the cutout. Then, tape the seams together with a vapor barrier rated tape found at your local building supply store. Now, you can enjoy the comfort and warmth provided by Drycore Insularmor. For more information and instruction, visit drycore.com/Insularmor.